pairing is something that delivery and technology specialists get a lot of questions about. Take note of the techniques used by our specialists to make this a simple, easy process for their guests.
Bluetooth, you can wirelessly stream your phone to the car without the hassle of having all these cables everywhere. And the great thing about the new Lexus line, or the Lexus programming, with the way the engineers designed it, is that it looks very similar to the iPhone that you have. Mm-hmm. Simply, are you familiar with your iPhone?
I am, yeah.
Perfect. Well, tell you what, I'll actually have you lead the way. I'm just going to guide you along.
So grab your phone for me and go to Settings. Okay. And go to Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
And make sure it's turned on, which it is. Since there's never been a phone connected to the vehicle before, I want you just to tap the off hook button there. It's going to prompt us to go ahead and select yes to connect a device.
Yes.
And then it should pop up on the phone. Just select it, Lexus RX. And you're connected.
So what I'll have you do is first start with the screen, if you don't mind, using the remote touch. If you can highlight setup. Okay, please hit enter. And scroll over to Bluetooth and enter again. No devices. Would you like to add one now? Yes. Mm-hmm. And now we'll move to your phone if you don't mind. So we'll open settings, your Bluetooth menu, and you should see the Lexus RX show up as an available device right there.
Okay.
So it takes just a second to pair. After it pairs, you'll get the confirmation. Connected for your audio and your phone.
Going into your phone, go to your settings, please.
All right.
And then tap on Bluetooth.
Okay.
And then what we're going to do is you're going to, using the controller here in the center of your console, hit the menu button.
Sure.
And now you're going to use your mouse and go to the setup, press down, or you can also use the side enter buttons too.
There is one other feature you can turn on. If you click on the little eye next to connected, you can turn a feature called show notifications. Yeah, it should show up here. There it is. Yep. So go ahead and click on that.
Okay.
All right. So now that's going to enable your text messages to come through. So
really, wow.
Yeah. So if you get a text while you're driving, it'll just come up on the screen and say you have a new message. And you can click on read or ignore.
And it will read it to me? Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah, that way you can just keep your eyes on the road, and it's really safe, you know, especially because you probably have your kids in the back a lot. So you want to make sure you're driving safe for them.
I know you've had Bluetooth and all of your other RXs that you've been driving. The texting feature is probably new though, so you should probably go ahead and give that a test. So if you don't mind, I'm going to shoot you a text message real quick.
Go for it.
And we're going to go ahead and click read.
Hey, I love your new Lexus.
That's awesome.
And how do you feel? You just mastered the Bluetooth.
Love it.
Perfect.
Awesome.
Did you notice that one of the most effective techniques for teaching Bluetooth pairing is to have guests do it themselves? This helps them become familiar with the process, so they're ready to pair a phone on their own if needed.